Hello students, this is A3 Education, Class 10 CBSE, Chapter 3, Pair of Linear Equation in Two Variables. Example 3. Champ went to sale for a purchase of pant and skirt. Her friend asked how many of each did she bought. Okay, she answered number of skirt is 2 less than twice the number of pant, and number of skirt is 4 less than 4 times the number of pant. Okay, here we are discussing about two things, which is pant and skirt. Okay, we will go to the solution directly. Okay, let x denote the pant and y denote the skirt. Okay, it's clearly understood. We are assuming that x be pant and y be skirts. Okay, the first sentence which is given, the number of skirt is skirt y is means equal to. Okay, this means equal to 2 less than. Okay, less than 2, less than means minus, which is twice the pant we have been assumed as equation number 1. Second, number of skirt y is equal to less than means minus 4, which is 4 times. Okay, this is second equation as given. This 2 has been given in the statement. Okay, next step is to find graphically. Graphically, we will find the answer for this question. The first equation, y is equal to 2x minus 2. Therefore, as I said in first example, it is very easy. X, y, 0, 0. First step, when x is equal to 0, therefore y is equal to 2 into 0 minus 2, which is minus 2. Okay. When y equal to 0, 0 is equal to 2x minus 2. Therefore, 2 becomes 2x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 by 2, which is 1. Okay. Therefore, 1. The another equation, which is y is equal to 4x minus 4. X, y, 0, 0. When x is equal to 0, therefore we get y is equal to 4 into 0 minus 4, which is y equal to minus 4. Okay. When y equal to 0, 0 is equal to 4x minus 4. Therefore 4 is equal to 4x. Therefore x is equal to 1. From the table itself we can find the answer. Therefore 1 comma 0. At the point 1 comma 0, the graph will meet. Therefore the answer is 1 comma 0. As I said, we should need to draw the graph very neatly and it should be understood. Okay. Okay. We need 4 points this side. Here as much point we can. Y dash, x dash, scale, x-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Y-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. 0. First point 0 comma See 0 comma minus 2 1 comma 0 0 comma minus 4 1 comma 0. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. First 0 comma minus 2, then 1 comma 0. Then take the scale, draw the line, then write the equation on the top of it. Y is equal to 2x minus 2. Okay, this equation y is equal to 2x minus 2. Okay, next plot the next points. This is 0 comma minus 2. Next point 0 comma minus 4. This is 1 comma 0. Next this and this point. Okay, this equation you can extend by mentioning it, and y is equal to 4x minus 4. Draw it very neatly as I did. Give name A, B, C. Therefore, the equation meets at 1 comma 0. Therefore, number of pant, which is x is equal to 1, number of skirt is equal to 0. Okay, this is the part which has been asked in the question. Thank you. And also try to mention that it is a consistent solution, and also you can mention unique solution too. Okay, thank you.